Radio. Yeah, welcome to the Van Rap Radio. Nanga dzina ndiduka ndisuhana ndi ng'wana ndi wa mahunguni tichikholodzera nepo na vahone ha dzika dibuya vako didipera vako dila joy arali vasina muthu wavo watsini kana usesana vasingo angologa in www.arijole.co.za vadiwana ne soulmate yavo hey ha mudzimu panda dziko buya huko pisa ho tanganana hey ndiri chikamba nga dzi hawks adzikuita zota vone yesi vakosokutongisa ice cream yavo ka Facebook vavona ndisado vadela yeah man utangana na chote mudzimu auna na zvimwe hetile vakadiri hadzi politician ndidzino dzine dzakufedza cherede ndidzino dzine dzakoroba vathu ndidzino dzine adzikuita service delivery ndiri dziko chinyadza mumwe khoyu zvino mudzimu miri ndiyani kerekeni nne zvino namuchifi ndikorobedzeliwe ndiye kerekeni ndiyahani kerekeni zvonotorali. Okay, I hope I'm not offending anyone, but yeah, man, the controversial pastor kana prophet zvezvino vatu vamuvidza ngazo ndiyamba Shepherd Bushiri. Yeah, man, he has been arrested. He has been arrested. Na mfumakazi wawe naye ofariwa nga dzi hawks for mapungo adzi fraud and money laundering. Enda vadozora ari kwamba money laundering kwamba zingapani abaimenyana avari ndipedzisi apa ndigwendela komzero lotsa okay vofarirwa mapungo acherede inevori it's worth 1.2 million aringadomba nga vala vamwe vane vavori va involve ka case zwa zwino. Right now we focused on these two. Ndivone wana ku trend ka social media yeah huko mori Bushiro dizama mori 1 2 3 apedza ku hand over ngori asina imwe ndila wakongwana musi and then na meri nene ofariwa so we waiting to see urudeti ya mini ngori rikombera chichiti risongobona baby ba vatu vakuta zovumbulu wange panda dzikoti vakolira ngari na zvino vakoshonisa vana vatobhora nondochimbira na vadhuguru bvela badani mutawaza ngori my papa ariliche zvithu zvithome mulayo GSC ya rivono zia guy wakongwana ari vakorabhela avadirabhelele mara ndikhomero risongoshonisa raro vathu vakosokobva kadzi TV vadotrenda vadava vari no ndi sathane asi sathane ndi zvito mara shava mlandu thunzo vathu nanga dzina ndiduka ndisona ndi ng'wana ndi wa mahunguni. Prophet Bushiri been arrested na mfumakazi wawe for money laundering and fraud worth 1.2 million. Vachintoda vazova ngwana guy 0826937124 ndika WhatsApp kana Twitter ndi nema Van Rap Radio kana var Van Rap Radio _nema on Instagram Van Rap Radio on Instagram kana var nema wa mahunguni auna na zvimwe vasongo hangwa una channel that you can also subscribe in your radio tara mafungo manjinga manda. I'm going to leave you the link on the description. Yeah, I'm going to drop the link on the description. If he wadiva mara zinazi channel ezi yeah if all things exenia I hope ndikobara dzina lawo zuzvo right abenezwa zvikuwa sizvazvo kana ndichikoka ndichifrench azizvazvo rine vakobona zvarikanganyise zvithu ridzura rodhuluma ngazo yeah so check out the channel ndiwakhaladzi yeah ni check channel and then subscribe nikonowana zvimwe zva zvitori nasu zvine nanga rine rorali come on guys yeah we don't talk about those things azi advice dzine vafumakadzi vaneyana vazene vaneyana vakomba vaneyana. We don't know how to do those things. So yeah, it's one of the channels you can check it out and a lot of other stories in the celebrity. Na zimwe zvinji zvine you want to know see here as the DIY come on yeah so check out the channel nganda has namara here. Just check out the story. Even Checha Bushiri, I'm gonna leave the link on the description also for the story, so you can read the story in full. Aranikoponore ningo ferera ngobona video. Tiri nenga dzina ndiduka ndisona ndi ng'wana ndo mahungoni ena mara here ndinifuna zone Van Rap Radio retorali richikola joy wakana vadori gwajisa vatisana nari zijeni